Introducing the new Active Pro smartwatch with built-in Bluetooth earbuds. Returning as a new rendition of a crowd favorite, this model packs in tons of features that make it the perfect workout companion. The sleek and lightweight design retains key fitness features such as a step counter and a calorie tracker, but this time we have a built-in charging compartment for these wireless earbuds. The earbuds simply pull out of the right-hand side of the case and are held in with the help of a couple magnets. They are true wireless earbuds, meaning there's no pesky wire between you and your device, which is really handy when you're out breaking a sweat. This new model is really easy to use. There are two buttons on the left-hand side of the watch, the bottom one being the power button and the top one taking you to the fitness menu. To turn the watch on, simply press and hold the power button and you'll be greeted with the digital watch face. If you like, you can change this watch face by holding down on the screen and swiping through a few options. More options can be downloaded through the app if you wish. To take full advantage of the watch, you're going to want to connect it to your phone. You can do this by downloading the Brandfit app. Here it is now, pretty simple app to use. The main menu shows a couple different dashboards for fitness, your biometric data, and even one for tracking sleep quality. To connect the watch to your phone, just tap on the My Device menu and tap the connection that pops up. You can change a few settings in this app, such as notification settings, alarms, and any new dials that you wish to load onto the watch. To connect the earbuds, a separate Bluetooth connection is required. It's very easy to do. Just pull the buds out of the watch, open your Bluetooth settings on your phone, and select the T10 TWS connection. Hit pair, and you're good to go. Once they're paired up, every time you pull them out of the watch, they will connect automatically. Now, these buds are pretty small, but they do pack a punch. You sort of have to find the right angle and fitment in your ear to get the best sound from them. But once they're in, they're in. On the earbuds are these touch-sensitive buttons, which control voice calls and music. There is a dedicated music menu once you swipe down from the main watch face. You can also answer incoming calls through the earbuds with a double tap. A long press on either of the earbuds buttons will hang up a call if you're in one, or pause and play music if you're listening to a song. The sound quality is really good and the microphone is crystal clear. The Active Pro with built-in Bluetooth earbuds is just perfect for anyone who loves to track their daily fitness goals and enjoy some music on the way. Check it out online at watchdepot.com.au by clicking the link in the description. Make sure to give this video a like and a share, and thanks for watching.